good K&N Nation? It's your boy Kenny.
And it's your girl Naya.
And we back with another video. We coming through for you guys, back with the Dolan Twin reaction you guys love so much.
I love Dolan Twins.
Listen, it's respected. Today we reacting to the twins live stuck to each other. Oh, twins live stuck to each other. Blah, 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 blah.
I mean, you can say it both ways. So
yeah, I know. I'm just saying, but
Velcro suit version.
Velcro, yeah.
Not handcuffs.
So
I think we did handcuffs, right?
Yeah, we did handcuffs. We reacted to the handcuffs. So like I said, this is requested by a subscriber. So like I'm saying, do what you guys ask. So just keep in that comment section. Before we start the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get there, guys. So help us out. Halfway there. So help us out.
And don't forget, make sure you follow our Instagrams, KNN_Nation.
Yes.
Alright, let's get into this video.
That's the sound this is making me feel. What? The sound I just made is the feeling that I have, but in a physical sound. You feel the queef? wait, we don't have to say that. Let's just spread out because we're gonna want to enjoy our sprint time. That doesn't sound good. Guys, here's the thing. Ethan has been sick for about a week now, and because of that, I have been spending zero time with him. Normally, in our lives, we're by each other's sides at all times, but he has a sickness, and I don't want to get it. So I've been going surfing, and he's just been sitting in his room. Now it's time to seek my sweet revenge. I hope Grayson doesn't get sick. He's less sick now. But it feels weird. It doesn't feel natural to not be with Ethan anymore. Yeah, well, it doesn't feel good to be stuck in the house every day while you're
It's crazy that they picked this video. I'm just getting over
it. Right.
Well,
that's crazy. Yes, it is changing. Grayson's gonna get mono. Guys, you know what's gonna happen. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail. This is gonna be. We've done like the handcuff thing, but like you're not even that close with a handcuff. Yeah,
I don't think it's
honestly stand apart.
Oh, it's probably
like, in the shower, one person's out of the shower.
It's very tiny.
Very tiny.
Oh, so here go the handcuff. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Guys, today we are going to be closer than ever. Closer than glue. Honestly, we might even be closer than we were in the Boom video. Guys, we're going to be closer than we've ever been on this channel. And by that, we are going to hop into full-body, custom Velcro suits that are going to stick us together for the rest of the day. So yeah, we had full custom Velcro suits made. And we made them purple and black because we're extra. And I got sussed an extra. The gag is an extra.
What? I like purple.
We haven't even tried these Velcro suits. We have no idea what it's going to feel like to be stuck together. We have no idea if they even stick together. But I think they do. Well, they're Velcro. So one side is the fuzzy side. I say we attach ourselves. It actually worked. We're stuck. Ow! See, your mono mouth is on my face. Okay, well, Chris, my mono balls are in my stomach. Ow! Ow! Put your feet down. I can't. Put them down. No, it hurts. See, put your feet down. It hurts. Put your feet down. I'm gonna throw up. My balls are on my stomach. It worked! Yeah! It did work. Come on, get up. That hurts so bad. I think you're good. So we're gonna go back to back. Or maybe we can go like if I go sideways. We can't. I'm not carrying you around all day. My back will break. No way! I'm not even holding on! I know.
Why is it hurting? I'm trying to figure out. Why is it hurting?
It's probably like
so right now,
sticking in because if it go up like that, it's gonna stay like that. Like, that's why he said his stomach was hurting. It's stuck up there.
Thighs. Oh yeah, we're stuck. Can I pull apart real quick? Greg, come on, you're choking me out. This is fun. I don't want to work. Greg, come on, it hurts. It hurts. Greg,
Well, you got some crazy stuff to do.
Maybe mine's a little bit smaller, or maybe I'm a little bit bigger. Okay, ready?
You want to be stuck in me foot?
This is ridiculous. Oh my god. We're gonna do this all day. Where do you go? Where are you going? Let me get my phone.
Yeah.
How you gonna go to the bathroom?
Velcro strips to stick through.
Well, I mean, it didn't save for 24 hours this time, so.
What's that for?
It's not gonna be a good day.
Oh,
You don't need it. It hurts. hurts, Grayson. I'll bend your back because I haven't been down to this drawer. All right, go. Oh! Ah! Wait. Grayson, I'm not kidding, Grayson. I'm not kidding. My feet are off the ground, Grayson. My feet are off the ground, Grayson. Grayson, seriously. Grayson. Okay, bend up. Oh! Grayson. I'm not kidding. I feel all sorts of pains that I've felt before. I got them.
No, he's like over-exaggerating because I don't understand.
I'm trying to figure out where the pain coming from.
It works.
Where is it coming from?
Mine does too. It's ridiculous. Look, you're paying for our stuff for the day, but I'm not bringing it home.
Wait, why is they phone sticking?
All right, well,
because they got the cakes. VELCRO
Maybe we
cakes.
should go get a day started. Nothing different, just a normal day. Yeah,
He has a lot of tattoos.
just a normal day for us twins.
So they about to go outside like that. Hey, where you going? They must walking everywhere they go.
I don't think Ken drive.
I mean,
Alright, we've come across a problem.
Right.
There's a step. We've been trying to figure this out for some time. Don't go down because then I go down. Alright, we're going to have to shimmy off sideways.
Oh,
Where's the steps at?
I did.
No, we made it. We did it. We're just going to have to get in the back of the car, I think, and then we'll have our filmer drive. No, whoa!
Yeah, how you gonna get that?
1, 2, 3. Ah! Can you grab it? I can't. Grab it. Ah! Grab it. Just get over it. Ah! Can you grab it? No. It sucks. Can you guys pick that up?
Like you hear all the friction.
I commend them for making videos like this. I was like, wow. Like 2 minutes in the video, I would say, you know what? We're not doing this. I'm not doing this.
Okay. Come on, come in.
Because he just got him on him, like.
Do a push-up.
You should do a push-up.
Wait, I'm pulling myself up. Just push up. Just crazy. My fucking romper's caught. It's your legs that are weighing me down. Okay, well, just climb in the car. I'm trying. Just climb in the car. I can't get a foot underneath.
Why didn't they throw the seat down and get in the back?
Oh, we're in. Are we in? Yeah. All right. You good? Wait. We have to close the door. Can one of you guys just do that? Okay, go. Not that bad of a ride, right? Can we just take the bus or something? So,
yeah,
to start our day off, Ray and I, we usually like to get some cardio in, just be active. So we're here to play tennis.
I mean, they being active in this suit.
They live in LA?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't see them with anybody. Who you seeing with?
Maybe.
Alright, time to get some cardio and play some tennis. Oh shit, we're starting.
Yeah, like, I mean, they was with the A7 before they took care of Al before.
Why are you stealing the show, Ray? Ow, my knee! Grayson, I go first. Wait, ready? Go. Ah, nice shot, Grayson. I go, then we flip, then you go. You got this. See? You go. I don't
Keep turning around.
Oh, shit. What was that? That was the warm-up. We're gonna get a little more intense now.
Oh yeah, the balls.
What you mean?
For him, he's the spiky part, so it's gonna stick to him.
We didn't think this through. Why do we do tennis today? It's my turn to do some returns. I got one. I'm gonna throw my back out if I continue any longer. I think we had enough cardio. Yeah, I'm also sweating. These suits are really hot. It's 400 degrees hotter inside of these suits. I feel the sweat dripping into my ass crack. Maybe we should do something a little bit more chill.
I ain't gonna do that.
Yeah, you gotta be side to side for that.
I'm joking, Grayson. So we floated out here for some chill time, and I don't know, we get back because we can't operate this boat. Not that chill.
I wonder how you playing these
I
things.
guess I can try to paddle.
Like today we're gonna stick to each other and we're gonna do all these crazy things. I'm
joking.
I'm sorry, you're not even talking. I'm
Yo,
into
yeah,
it.
like,
Like,
it's
I'm into it. I'm like,
amazing,
yo,
like-
like.
I would not be able to do this.
Paddle now because I've been paddling for too long. Don't, Chris, you're not pushing me in the water.
If you fall in that water.
Your weight is on me too much. I'm gonna please, Chris, please, don't tip it, don't tip it. Are you paddling? I'm trying. Just can you paddle now? How is this gonna work? Are you paddling? I'm trying.
How's he pedaling? Oh my God.
I'll do the work.
It's a two-people
Wait,
boat.
where the person filming from?
We gotta get back.
From the boardwalk.
We're going the wrong way. Yeah, I know. It's on the wind. Alright. Go put my leg over the... I'm gonna fall! I'm gonna fall! Okay, don't fall.
Because it's choking him at the neck.
It's not chill at all.
He keeps saying that too.
Why do we do this? I have no idea. Alright, so it's time for lunch. Alright, it's on me. We look like actual dunces walking in.
It wasn't supposed to skip. I wanted to see how they got
You
that.
know how you order there. You probably do. You have to like tell the person what you want, so we're gonna have to like probably turn around 50 million times. We got some stairs here, Greg. Let's get good at this. All right, I'll sit down. There, that's easy. Yeah. That's pretty good. All right, time to get some food. I'm actually starving. Hello, how are you?
Hey, Chipotle.
Can we get 2 burritos? No, I don't want a burrito. You don't want a burrito? I want a bowl. You just said you want a burrito. I want a bowl. You order for yourself. I'll get 1 burrito. And then can I do corn? No, just guac and lettuce. Company. For here, I'll do a bowl. I'll have brown rice, please. Brown? Yes. Thank you. Alright, your turn. Hey, don't go too fast. Yeah,
I didn't want to eat.
Did you get a fork? No, I didn't get a fork.
Oh, I'm about to say that.
Alright, how are we sitting? I'm eating first. We can eat at the same time. I guess that kind of works. This is so
They're going to be glad empty in there.
It's not even it's cutting off my airways.
So this is crazy. Like,
It's working for me. Yeah, that's why you should have got a burrito too.
do you guys like Chipotle?
Yeah, the burrito's way more.
I love it.
What are you choking on? It's not going down my
It's
throat.
not. I don't give a sign.
I don't care for the like I like marinara, not marinara, but like you know like the taco sauce
I'm over
that I
it.
be getting. Like I like that type of sauce and like their sauce kind of sucks.
None of that is bad. Like, I ate it when you got it. But I don't see why. I've never been to Chipotle. I've been to Chipotle once myself.
No.
I've probably been like 5 times.
Like this, and I
That's
asked.
total. 5 times. I mean, I don't violate, but like, would I eat it? Yeah.
You know, Grayson, since we have an abundance of Halloween decorations at home, you're only allowed to buy Halloween decorations that can stick to you. I think that's a fair rule. That's so unfair. You have to walk to the register with everything stuck to you, and if it falls off, then you can't get it either. I think people are afraid of us. Alright, it's all in the back, so we don't know.
Yeah, I mean, that look fake freaky.
Right? Yeah, it looks weird. Well, I mean, they did it around Halloween time, so actually not.
Grayson, I'm facing backwards.
If they had that like today, that would have been. That would have been.
This is definitely Thanksgiving. Where's the Halloween section? It's humiliating.
Like, you're twins, you're wearing Velcro suits.
This is the level we gotta be on with YouTube.
Sorry.
We gotta do crazy things like this.
This guy might stick on me. Oh, I have something similar to this.
Not that crazy, but you know what I'm trying to say.
Dude, you sound like a 7-year-old on Christmas. Oh, yes. Oh. Thank God I made this rule because he would literally buy this entire stuff. Okay, Grayson.
Well, you didn't say he loved Halloween.
Yeah.
Buying something that he doesn't know what it is. I can't even see anything that he's getting.
What is it? Send me that.
Well,
put garland. Why are you getting stuff that you don't even know what it is? Well, because it looks cute. Oh my God. It's so loud. Everyone's just staring. Everyone's taking a picture of us. Oh my God. Are we out of sticky stuff? I think we are. Oh my God. Grayson, this
I ain't gonna put it on. What if it rip or something? We put it on like the paper.
Fabric, right?
This cat would stick to you. There you go. Take the camera. Let's go.
And it's like, just
We
stay.
look ridiculous. We look ridiculous. Does he look ready? Oh yeah. All right. Well, let's go. I feel happy. Whoa. It's gonna fall off. Ow. Do I have a full wedgie? And camera though at the same time. This was pretty successful.
Yeah, he got
Lower.
lower.
What is it? I don't know if it'll stick to me. I'm only allowed to buy things that stick to me. Thank you. Yes. Greg, do you have any pair of socks? Thank you. We're good.
How did they get that footage?
That's the camera. I mean, it's a camera looking at, you know.
I know, but I'm saying, how did you get the
All
footage?
you gotta do is zoom into the TV.
Okay.
She having fun.
I'll do it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Have a good one. Success. We go home and put them around the house now.
People love crazy things. And so, I guess we laughing at it.
It's funny.
Finally time.
It's outrageous, that's what it
This
is.
video has been quite ridiculous. I'm also drained. Like, this really worked me.
Yeah, they like
carrying an extra person on your back. Alright, how are we gonna do this? These are like sticky.
Just like...
Oh, wait, ow. Oh my God.
You know what? You know what would be good? I just thought about it. If you bought that suit, right, and you had like a baby, or like a toddler, you carry him around, like as you, like.
You think I'm gonna stick?
No.
Yeah, I don't care.
Why?
That's risky. I mean, that's the same thing as having a carrier.
Alright, we're finally done. Guys, that was actually like...
I tried to do it. It backfired.
But on the real, I think this is the least that we fought in any video where we had to be this close together. Yeah, we barely fought at all. Oh, that's too aggressive. How am I going to take a lean up a little bit? I'm choking. I'm choking. Hey, don't walk too fast. Yeah, don't walk too fast. Oh my God. Grayson, it's not going to stick to you. I'm so ready to get out of the suit. It is so hot. I have trapped so much sweat and body heat under here. Yeah.
They should make one where it's one complete suit and you just have one person upside down. That's what they should do. So like I grab onto your feet and my feet be your arms.
You would die.
No, you won't.
Your blood would rush to your head.
That's like if you're doing a handstand, your head will be up. It's not gonna be upside down like this the whole time. Like
I wouldn't partake.
And you have a little hole at the bottom of your head to sit up.
I would not participate.
Yo, I can't.
God, that's those 20 for you though.
Yeah, they real creative. I give it to them.
I think we could be creative, but we're not there yet to be that creative. Like
we
can't just get up and do what we want.
People want that type
like,
of.
I would really have to be planned. Like we would have to actually plan it. I want to do something when we get there, guys. We're going to get there when we could just do pranks and not saying we can't. I'm just saying like do stuff. I want to do it live to show you that like it's like I want to do myself live.
Really?
I really want to be live. I'm not saying everyone because that's hard to do, but to be able to do a prank live or do like a challenge live, I really want to do that. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, we would do a live challenge, right? Eating hot food. Or anything. Make sure it's live when you will see everything. You will see
a thing of all, like hot food, the driest food, all in one.
No, I mean.
See if you can survive it.
The point of doing it live is this. You really get to see, like, it's no editing. It's no, because this is a good challenge. But I just know, like, okay, you had to break up. Like, yeah, you showed me.
Yeah, at some point.
I just feel like, not saying anything wrong with that. You know, it's still a hard challenge. They still did things, activities. You know, they gave you like the.
But I mean, they you gotta remember, like they cut half stuff out because they don't want like long
video. I mean, those was always long. I'm just saying.
Yeah, most of the time.
I want to 1,000 subscribers. We want to do a live challenge, so she can fake it and not eat it like she always do when we eat hot food.
First off.
Yes.
I don't fake anything.
Yes.
That's one thing.
Yes.
You can't tell me about my reaction.
Okay.
Second off, the only thing I didn't full on do was the chocolate.
Well, listen.
Other than that, I tried the hot wings. I tried Buffalo Wild Wings.
Well, it don't gotta be exactly that. It could be a challenge that y'all want to see live. Like, it's gonna be subscribers that we choose. If we hadn't done it by the time we hit 1,000 subscribers, that would be a challenge we would do. I don't know. If you guys comment, let us know. Like, would that be a good idea?
Share.
Would that be a good idea to do a live challenge? I don't know about live prank. I'm not gonna say I'm that good.
I don't think you could.
You could do a live prank. You could. But you just would have to have it like.
People
it gotta be a well thought out.
It takes time. Like most of the time, if you're pranking someone, you gotta wait on the other person to come in and stuff like that. So it's like That's why I don't think people do live pranks.
That's
Unless
why
we're doing
that's why you gotta
a
think,
prank on like the public.
you gotta think of a good prank. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow
Share.
Share
Tell
it.
a friend and tell a friend.
Go look at the videos.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Other video ideas.
Follow our Canyon Nation Instagram page. Follow us when we posting pictures. You see our daily lives.
Yeah,
you know,
we're gonna try and post more.
We're gonna try to post more definitely on there. Yeah, guys, and till next time. Peace.